Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 16 divided by 4 over 8 divided by 16. Now we shall add by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rules, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have division in here, so we solve it. 16 divided by 4 parentheses divided by 8 divided by 16. So we solve first of all numerator, then we solve denominator. We solve numerator. So 16 divided by 4 give us 4 divided by 8 divided by 4 give us 1 over 2. Now we solve it by the rules of KCF. Keep first fraction, then division change to multiplication, and flip second fraction. Now we 4 over 1 divided by multiply by 2 divided by 1. So the equation become 4 times 2 gives us 8. Now the final answer is 8. Thanks for watching.